बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। दोस्तों, मैं हूं मेहरान अली और आप देख रहे हैं मेहरान टीवी यूट्यूब चैनल। आज हम शेक्सपियर के एक ट्रेजेडी प्ले ओथेलो के MCQs करेंगे। तो चलें स्टार्ट करते हैं। What pattern is embroidered on the handkerchief? The true answer is A. Strawberries. How is the Turkish fleet thwarted? तो ट्रू आंसर है B. By a storm. What rank does Cassio hold before Othello strips it from him? The true answer is C. Lieutenant. Which of the following animal epithets is not applied to Othello during the play? The true answer is C. Serpent. How old is Iago? The true answer is C. 28. What is the beast with two backs? The true answer is C. Two people having sex. What is Brabantio's position in Venus? The true answer is A. Senator. Where does Iago tell Rodrigo that Othello and Desdemona are sailing to from Cyprus? The true answer is D. Who made the handkerchief that Othello inherited from his mother? The true answer is D. A Sibyl or female prophet. What first attracted Desdemona to Othello? The true answer is D. The stories he told about his past. Next है जी, what rank does Iago begrudgingly hold? Its true answer is C. Ensign. Which of the following epithets is most commonly applied to Iago throughout the play? The true answer is A. Honest. Whose death does Graziano report in the final scene? The true answer is Brabantio's. D option is true. Which of Cassio's weakness does Iago exploit? The true answer is B. A low tolerance for alcohol. Whom does Iago refer to as the true general? The true answer is Desdemona. C is true. How does Othello kill Desdemona? The true answer is B. He smothers her. What, according to Iago, is the green-eyed monster? The true answer is D. Jealousy. Whom does Cassio wound in the drunken brawl of Act 2, Scene 3rd? The true answer is C. Montano. What does Cassio whom does ये हो गया? With whom does Cassio dine the night he is stabbed? The true answer is D. Bianca. What is Othello holding as he stands over the sleeping Desdemona? The true answer is A. A light. Who is the first character to refer to Othello by name? The true answer is the Duke. According to the Lodovico's letter, who is replaced Othello as governor of Cyprus? The true answer is Cassio.